Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Future, Tools of Destruction. So, let's see, what did we do last time? I think we went through the gel factory on planet Cobalia, and we hitched a ride with the smuggler, but we were quickly found out that we were trying to sneak into planet... Where the hell are we? Kortog. Tachyon's army is on your trail. Fight through the occupied zone to escape. Yeah, we had to be ejected outward, and we gotta find our way through the city. This is not gonna be easy. That's quite a lot of city to go through. Hey, look over there. On the right side there. That looks like someplace I can go. Maybe we'll come back and visit again. Stratus City, planet Kortog. Yeah, I never realized or remembered that everybody really hated LOMBAXs that much. Alright, what do we got?
Hey, Chief! You've got enough Veritanium for an upgrade.
Do I? Holy shit. I do. Oh my god. Actually, hang on. I don't think I should be as excited, because I think some of these are actually pretty fucking expensive. Let's see, for this... Yeah, I was afraid of that. Although... I should probably focus on the combustor. Hang on. Didn't I upgrade this some time ago? Wait. I'm very confused. Didn't I upgrade this some time ago? No, I think I decided not to because I wanted to save up. I mean, I could potentially have enough for this. 50, 150, 200, 250, 300, 400, 500, 550, 650, 850. I mean... I mean, I can only afford 2 weapons right now, so I might as well. No, I cannot afford 2 weapons. I can't afford any new weapons. I only have 2 weapons. So I might as well. I'll go for more Veritanium. Okay, I'll go for some damage. Fusion grenade. Holy crap. God damn, so much of this so much of this stuff is expensive. I mean, this does do more damage. Screw it. I'll mostly focus on the first weapon first. The other weapon has more power anyway. Boobity. Boobity? Yeah, bada bing, bada boom, exactly. Ah, crap. I coulda, woulda, shoulda. God damn it. Well, more power for me. Just one little Veritanium. But hey, I mean, 47? Well, I guess I can't really complain. There are other benefits. I mean, the combustor isn't exactly the most power-heavy weapon, but it can do more damage, longer range, more raritanium, faster shooting. I guess I really got nothing to complain about. Alright, well, better than nothing. These weapons, on the other hand, oh my god. See, this is why the weapons you get for free from a planet are much better, because, you know, you literally don't have to spend a single goddamn bolt for them. These prices are ridiculous! I wouldn't be surprised if the only reason they raised the price here is because I'm a convicted LOMBAX and they're just being discriminatory. I don't know, but those are some ridiculous prices. Wow, I've literally spent 6 minutes pondering and browsing the weapons vendor, and I didn't really do much. But you know what? We got something done. We upgraded a weapon for some benefits. I think that's good enough. Hang on, my cat's being annoying. You, move. She's harassing me for attention. Yeah, now she's purring. She's happy. Let's see. Music. Time to test this bad bitch out. Yeah, you guys see me, don't ya? Sucks to be all of you, though, because I have a powerful weapon. Sucks to be you! Oh wait, what's that? Ooh, double the bolts. That'll be handy. Upgrade! Ooh, power went up by 10. Now to switch to the fusion grenade. Yeah, don't you remember that weapon that scared you shitless back in, Ooh. Back in Planet Kerwan? When I endlessly threw fusion grenades when I was going on a collapsing platform? I still can't believe that worked, though.
This is your humble dictator. The Imperial Defense Force is searching for a fugitive LOMBAX guilty of countless violations against this empire, including theft of an Imperial cruiser. Destroy him before he defiles any more of this great city.
I don't like you. My race. Well, ooh, hi. I couldn't hear what Clank said. Probably because I was being too loud. Oh, I can kill it. The hell is that thing? Wait.
The shock ravager uses electrical current
New
to
weapon.
neutralize shielded enemies. To perform a whip attack, press the fire button.
Ooh. See, this is exactly what I meant when I said earlier that new weapons are good against having to buy expensive-ass weapons.
Attacks are useless against an electrified enemy, Ratchet. Try a different weapon.
Oh, so elemental enemies? Really? I don't know what you said, but you're still a dick. I like this. This is a lot better than the plasma whip. The plasma whip was okay, but I felt like it was mostly only existing for looking cool and not actually being all that effective. This is a fucking sick weapon. I love it. And here we yet again have boxes defying the laws of gravity. You'd love to see it. Oh. I don't know what you're saying you're not made of, but I can't really care less anymore. I can't really care any more or less.
All units be advised. We now have an armed LOMBAX inside the city.
Aha! Don't think you could hide from me. What is that? No, not that. This.
I am sending in more ships to help stomp out the LOMBAX threat. Try not to let him blow them up. Not made of bolts, you know.
Oh, they're not made of bolts. Hey, that's a lock the chest was at. Oh, this just takes me back over here. I don't know how I even discovered that. I was just looking around.
Attention, drop-ins.
I'd say it was worth it, though.
More ships to help stomp out the LOMBAX threat. Try not to let him blow them up. Not made of bolts, you know.
Here you'll experience
Oh,
invigorating
we're sending out
zip
more shit.
lining. Stand under the zip line and press the jump button to use it.
Okay, so he was basically talking about how he's sending out more ships and to try not to let me blow them up because they're not made of bolts, meaning they can't really afford these ships all the time. If you can't afford them, why do you keep sending them out if you know they're being blown up? I don't think it's a very wise move of you, Tachyon, or Percival. I feel like calling him by his first name would be an insult to him, so I'm gonna call him Percival. Just because I know it'll piss him off. Why should I call him Emperor or Tachyon? I don't respect him. He hates me. Why the fuck would I respect him? I mean, I can respect him as a character in terms of design, but in the story, nah. I ain't respecting him. I like how this weapon looks, but that's not why I stopped. I'm trying to figure out how...
Your swing shot can also be used to grapple across short distances. Press and hold the fire button to latch onto that Versa target and grapple across
Oh, thank
the
God,
gap.
okay. I was worried I was gonna fall. What the hell? I totally... Grab it! Grab it! Grab it! That's a pretty sick name. Okay. How the... Okay, I need to switch to a weapon that's not going to consume ammo. Or a tool. Okay, how in the world...
To latch onto the transport, equip the swing shot using the quick select. Then press and hold the fire button to latch on.
Oh.
Fire button until you wish to let go.
All drop-ins move to the Skyway. The LOMBAX has hijacked an airtram.
I don't think I would call this hijacking. I would be in the cockpit controlling it if I was. Get your terms right, boy.
LOMBAX sighted approaching the Sector 4 skydock. All units move in to intercept.
Hey, what's up?
All right, Chief. What can we do you for?
Oh, that's right. That's because I found those chests. I thought that was because of all the enemies I killed.
Which weapon do you want to upgrade?
I'll go for this one. This one's a very, very effective weapon. But first, let's take a look at how much the combustor... 100, 175... 220? you know what? I might as well see, because I'll still have enough for the Shock Ravager.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Fuck. I want to say, okay, so so all this really does is give it a special extra effect, so it is fully upgraded, just not to the max, with terms of special usage. So what I'm going to go ahead and do...
Done and done.
Okay. Okay, there we go. Plus, more ammo, more raritanium. Ooh, that would be handy though. I like how there's actually different levels of where it tells you how much it'll fill up the bar. Like this one just fills it up this little bit much, but that's because by the time it's filled up here, that's all it really needs. That's cool. Yeah. Oh, that's right. Crap. I forgot, electric weapons don't work on electric enemies. Which is why I'm going to use this. Power up! Look at all that raritanium. My controller is squeaking. I don't know if that's supposed to come out or if there's something over there where I can go in. But there's something shooting another missile over there or something. I don't know what though. Hey, can I
What can we do you for?
I'll tell you what you can do me for. You can do me for... Ah, god damn it. Yeah, maybe I should save up until the next time I come across a... Okay, let me rephrase. I should save up until the next good time No, the game has set weapon vendors. I'll just save up a lot of raritanium. I'll keep an eye out for treasure chests. I want to find every single one in this game. Huh. I feel like there's something I can do here. But I know for a fact that is going to get me zapped. So I shouldn't try. But what I can do is try to look around and really figure out what it is I could possibly do. There's something in there. Ah, god damn it, I'm really tempted. I guess I can only hook onto this one. Was I meant to do that? I don't think I was. So that must mean there's a secret over here. I'm surprised I didn't blow any more of you up. I knew it. This is the kind of shit I'm talking about. If I keep an eye out, I'll find more treasures. It pays to be observant. It pays big, big, fat stacks of raritanium and moolah. pays a lot, really. So what's up here? Wrong button. Oh, are you trying to hit me? Here, how about I hit you? Wow, you just dropped in, didn't you? Confuzzler gas, that's new. Ha, you thought you got rid of me. That electrifies me, and that hurts. Give me that sweet, sweet Rarotanium. Anything down here? Aside from a couple of, crates, not much. Don't worry, I put you out of your misery. Did I really get a lot of bolts just from that? Hold up. Hold the phone? That is a weird looking creature. But no, I wasn't focusing on that. I was focused on... I feel like there's gotta be a way over there. I really do, but I know for a good, hard, solid fact that... Is this just like... Okay, that's majorly confusing. There's no way up there, though. Or is there? I'm not going to try much of anything of it right now, but that's something I definitely have noticed. Huh. Are you?
Any trooper who allows the LOMBAX through their sector will be tried as a conspirator and executed.
Without even giving them a chance to explain themselves? Wow, you are really a mean guy. I'm sure you're a blast to have at parties. Ooh, look at me being rich. I guess that's why they made the weapons so expensive in this game, because you have upgrades that lets you get more bolts when you beat enemies. Yeah, I get ya. The whole I don't know if I would say co-conspirator, but definitely a conspirator. If that's what he said. Ooh, Gelinator.
Attention, Ratchet. Any trooper who allows the LOMBAX through their sector will be tried as a conspirator and executed.
Target sighted. I think I know exactly how to get up there. We were given this Gelinator for a good reason. A very good reason. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Boing. Oh my god, I thought I was going to lose all that. In return, I would have lost my mind. Not really, but you know. It sucks when you lose a good treasure. A nice, good big one. The big one that got away. Boing. Hmm. Haha!
He's activated the bridge to Sector 5. Send in a drop ship immediately.
Dude, I just realized something. I just realized that any enemy hit with the shock ravager, the electricity travels to enemies nearby. That is fucking cool. I like this weapon. I like the shock ravager. It's my new best friend. I keep pressing the R1 button expecting the crouch, but I keep ending up using the fucking weapon. Although honestly to God, I'm afraid to like change it because I really just don't want to throw off the whole control scheme. I mean, I know there's options to change it, but I'm just too lazy. Come on, baby. Yes! Open up! Look at me being rich. What could possibly be hidden here? Well, not much, but, you know, it's always good to look. I'm not sure how I feel about the animation having Ratchet drop a little bit before doing the second jump, but whatever.
Attention citizens of Stratus City. To aid in the reconstruction of the Force-Salon Tower, we have brought in a team of migrant purchase workers. For your own protection, please stay clear of these creatures as they are violent and ill-tempered. They also smell like blarg dung.
You saying I smell like blarg dung? Wow, you are... I think I've pretty much exhausted all the possible descriptions I could have of Percival at this point. But, just to make things clear, he's not very nice. In fact, he himself is kind of a... He has a brain the size of... Yeah, I've exhausted it.
Ratchet, those creatures are telling us to go inside that building.
Creatures? What creatures? Did you get your wires crossed in that crash? Clank, have you been modifying yourself in private?
Absolutely not. And I do not care much for your tone.
In a team of migrant purchase workers. For your own protection, please stay clear of these creatures as they are violent and ill-tempered. They also smell like blarg dung.
Oh boy. I think I remember these controls in this mechanic. It's not bad, but it can get kind of annoying. We seem to be... They seem to be guiding us, though.
The LOMBAX is airborne. He's headed for the Hall of Knowledge.
Hall of the what? Yay! That was strangely creepy. But whatever. We're here now, wherever here is. Oh, Hall of Knowledge.
Lock it down and rub him out before he accesses classified information.
Information about what? Weapon vendor, hello!
Alright, Chief. What can we do you for?
I know exactly what you can do me for. How about some of this and some of this? Wow. It's mostly bolts, ammo, and whatever. What is that?
Done and done.
Oh, I have to buy both of those for it to do anything. All right, and just for the hell of it.
Done and done. Bada bing, bada boom.
All right. We've still got quite a bit to go, but I'm going to go ahead and end this episode here. So, thank you all for watching this episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. Next time, we're going to see what lies inside the Hall of Knowledge. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.